Hi, welcome to SLS3506. My name is Professor Roz and I will be your instructor for this course. First thing you do when you open up for the first week or so, this is the screen that you will see, the start here. And you're already there if you're watching this video. Opening it up, there's information. Something about me, the video. Here we are with office hours and contact information. I am readily available if you need to meet with me. Simply call the office, leave a message. It will ping my email, or call me on my cell. Actually, text me on my cell and introduce yourself and tell me when it's a good time to call you. Because of all the crazy robocalls that are coming, I do not answer calls that I don't know who you are. I can text. I'm very slow at it, so it's way better to talk person to person. Email is always a good way to get in touch with me. This is going to be, all of this is the same. You know, if you've taken other courses here, this is the same pretty much for each instructor. Next comes the syllabus. Important information. Make sure you open it, read it, and become familiar with it. Okay, all of the syllabi, the first few pages look alike except for the difference of the course information and the instructor bio. Course expectations, this is what you are expected to do. You need to know how to use all of this technology. There's a lot of help available. If you're running into trouble, please don't hesitate. We are here, and I know how frustrating it can be to not understand how to do something or to try to do something and have it not work. So don't hesitate ever, ever, ever to ask for help. You do need, because these courses are 4 weeks long, you do need to plan to spend about 28 hours a week on a class. That sounds like a lot, I know, but remember, you are only doing one class at a time. So this will make this, it will work. It really will, instead of taking 3 or 4 classes and having to do a lot of work for each. So, best way to contact me is email, and since I teach online, I am on the computer probably 7 days a week, but please do not hesitate to text me if you need me. Do remember, though, that there is no such thing as a 3506 emergency. So 3 o'clock in the morning is not an appropriate time to text. Just a heads up. Okay, you for an A, 800 points. Okay, notice this. That's how many points that you can earn. Olive Hodges has the same grading policy. Anything between 90 and 100 is an A. So if you end up with a 91.2 and you decide you want to raise your grade, I will tell you no, because an A is an A. There we go. Tutoring services. We have help. We do. Moving on. This is what you need to really pay attention to in each one of your courses, is the outline. Now, we have absolutely no way of knowing what your personal schedule is. So here on Monday, it looks like an awful lot of work. And if you work all day Monday and you have to drive your kids around on Monday evening, then no, you're not going to be able to do this. It's just a general idea of what I think would be a good way to break this course down. You don't have to do it this way. There are due dates though, and you do need to adhere to them because the course moves quickly. We have hit the ground running. So organization, time management is going to be your best friend. All right, so back here. This course relies on outside resources. You do not need to purchase a textbook. I will supply you with everything you need, and it will be available within the learning modules. Okay, so moving to learning modules is our next step. Every week the module will open, and I will let you know what we are going to be doing that week. So here we are. You just click on it. There are 3 lessons this week. The first one is mindset. Next, we're coming to organization, time management, and procrastination, something that most of us are horribly familiar with. And then your assessment, which is a reflective essay, meaning it's about you, and a discussion board. Now, we do have discussion boards. Click to open. See, notice, very cool videos. A little discussion board tutorial, my grading rubric for the discussion board, and the very first discussion board, which needs to happen immediately. Immediately. You need to do something your very first day of class for every single class that you take. That goes without saying. That is will count as your attendance, and if you do not do your assignment or discussion board on the Monday, if you don't have class in person on that day, you will be considered absent. It's a big deal. So make sure you always hop to on a Monday. But if you have questions about how to do it, there you go. I know this seems like a lot of work. You're supposed to complete 28 hours worth of work in a week. That just seems outrageous. But consider this is very similar and probably a little less work, to be honest, than if you were taking 3 or 4 classes in a term. You are taking one class, and that is where your focus and your concentration is. And there's no getting off track then. No making up work from one class to another class and all of this. You can do this. It's possible. We will absolutely, all of us who work here, who teach here, will do anything we can to be of use to you. We want you to succeed. I will work with you every step of the way. I will, however, not work harder than you do for your grade, but that's only reasonable. I already have my degrees. So stay strong, stay in touch. This is going to be an interesting and fun class. And if it's not, let me know what I can do to make it better. Looking forward to working with you. Thank you for your attention.